my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name's Shelly. I'm a third grade teacher in Northern California. And today we are just gonna do a normal classroom vlog. So a day in my life as a third grade teacher. So I had to sit down and it's not even school yet. This week has been a doozy. This is our last week before spring break. So we start spring break on April 15th. And after spring break, we start state testing and the kids have mad spring fever. So this week's really hard because we can't do like a lot of new content because spring break is on the horizon and I don't want them to forget everything. So we've been doing a lot of like test prep, getting them on the computers, practicing, navigating the test. We did start graphs in math because I think that's a little bit of a review from first and second grade. And it's just more hands-on. We can do a little more exciting stuff with that. And we've been just cleaning up our classroom because on top of that, tomorrow's open house, which is so fun. I actually really do like open house because I get my classroom in the state that I've really wanted it to be in all year. I just haven't had the time and energy to actually do it. So I've been having the kids help clean up the room. And then if you're new here, I post videos every Wednesday and Sunday at 5 o'clock. So Sunday's video is gonna be a classroom tour, an open house classroom tour, if you will. So I have a lot to do today and tomorrow just to get ready for open house. I don't wanna show you too much because that video is coming. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that one. But other than that, this week has just been so tiring. I'm exhausted and I'm so ready for spring break. It was super late this year, which is kind of crazy, but it's all right. It is what it is. So today, what are we doing? Morning meeting, and then I learned that if I get them on a computer to practice the CASP testing in the afternoon, it's like, they're just dead. So we're gonna do that first thing in the morning, which is normally when I do math. So I'm just gonna flip those. So we'll do math in the afternoon, which is fine. And then we are doing cursive, which is a nice kind of fun filler for after testing. And then recess, centers, then they go to Spanish. This is my first prep all week because Monday, my art prep was canceled. Tuesday, I don't have prep. So Wednesday, today is my first prep, the week of open house, which is awesome. This vlog is already sounding whiny and that's not my intention. I apologize. So yeah, then lunch math. We've been doing workshop this week, which I did a lot last year and I've kind of not done that much, but it's just to make sure that the kids can get all the work done that we're gonna have up for open house, and the kids that have finished everything get to do a may-do. So it's like 15-20 minute block. And then that's the end of our Wednesday. And then tomorrow is open house. We have a minimum day. So we get out at 12:55, and literally tomorrow is just gonna be the kids helping me get the room ready. So that is my morning. I'm exhausted. I'm going to make some coffee and then I am going to sit here and not do anything. So I'll pick you up throughout the day. Hey guys, so the kids are at Spanish. This is my first prep all week and I'm going to spend the beginning of it getting stuff ready. I haven't told anybody on the internet yet, but I'm starting grad school on May 6th for my master's. It's a one-year program. Whew, I'm out of breath, that I'm really excited about. However, I have to just get some stuff done. So that's what I'm gonna be doing for the beginning. And then I'm gonna start prepping for math this afternoon. So I'll show you what I'll be doing, or what we will be doing this afternoon. But the morning was just super content heavy. Test prep is no joke. It's draining for me and especially for a bunch of 9-year-olds. So that was fun. So I'm gonna put you guys down. I'll pick you back up when I get something exciting to show you. This week has been total crazy chaos. So I'll talk to you shortly. I got nothing done. I got sidetracked and was trying to fix my smartboard, which hasn't worked all year. And it's still not working, so I don't know why I wasted all the time. But I did get grad stuff done, and then I am ready for math this afternoon. So I'm gonna show you what I got. Oh my God, my hair, I'm sorry. We're doing data and graphs. So I purchased this off Teachers Pay Teachers because I hate our curriculum. So we're gonna show them a slideshow first. We did the line plots yesterday, so today we're doing pictographs, which will be fine until the picture then represents 2 or 5 things. So I got this off Teachers Pay Teachers. I will link it down below. But it's just a series of slides that we're gonna talk about the examples, and then we're gonna be creating a birthday pictograph as a class, and then that will be math for today. Unfortunately, we kind of have to rush through things at the end of the year to make sure they've seen everything before the test. It doesn't make sense to me why you're trying to stuff a year's worth of curriculum and we still have 7 weeks after testing of school. So I don't know, whatever, it is what it is. But I'm feeling really overwhelmed because open house is tomorrow. I have an IEP after school and there's a lot that I need to get done. So it's probably my fault that I didn't use my time wisely, but it is lunchtime, so I'm gonna go to the staff room because I just can't be in here right now. I'll talk to you later. Okay, so the day's over. I feel like this vlog is gonna be very uneventful, but I will show you what we did for math. It was really fun. We talked about pictographs and the kids actually got it because they've been doing it on Prodigy. So we made a pictograph of all the birthdays based on season, which was really neat. And then after that, we just did workshop, and then I have a bunch of stuff just to clean for open house. So tomorrow, like I said, we're doing all cleaning stuff pretty much, but there's just a bunch of stuff that has been in here. So I'm gonna walk you around and just show you like the things that I have to do before I get out of here today, because I probably won't have time to do it tomorrow. So let's just do that. All right, so let's just start back here. Okay, so this is so bad, but this is where I had to put it at the end of the day. All this artwork needs to get passed back to the kids. Obviously this table needs to get cleaned off. This is my crate from conferences that I still haven't put away. So that needs to get put away. I have to take this back to the office. This has been in here since like October, haven't even touched it. I just need to organize and put some of these crates away, straighten that up. All these dioramas are gonna be going on the kids' desks. This counter is a hot mess, but this is gonna be a student job tomorrow, so I'm not worried about it. This is disgusting, have to get it cleaned off. I need to like just fix little things like this, like retape stuff like that, clean up this counter. There's cups back there that have been there for God knows how long. I know, I'm disgusting. Just like make sure all the headphones are wrapped. Things just look messy. This bench will be a student job. I have to go through all those papers. Just like organize this area and like clean this. This is stuff, I'm not kidding you, that I've been avoiding all year long. So like cleaning that. Obviously my desk area will be my project tomorrow. Those boxes need to find a home out of sight. The library, I actually had a kid go through and I had 3 kids actually. They re-sorted these by genre, which is actually a great assessment, so I can go through and see what they did. Obviously just putting our library in order, doesn't look too bad. Fixing things that are falling. These boxes of paper have been in here forever, but I'm gonna go put them, I think, in the staff room so other people can use them, because I'm obviously not using them. And then all my chairs just need to be sorted and organized. And other than that, just like a bunch of little stuff. I want to like restring my lights and just make sure everything looks good and ready to go. So after saying all of that out loud, I just realized that those are all tasks I can have the kids do tomorrow. So that's pretty special, because I do have an IEP in 7 minutes. So I may or may not come back to the classroom and get some stuff done. Probably not, depending on how long the IEP goes. It usually lasts about an hour, so I doubt it. But that's pretty much it. Oh, I do want to show you what we did for math. So I just threw this together kind of last minute, but we made a tally chart about birthdays, winter, spring, summer, fall. And then the kids made a pictograph. So 1 ice cream cone equaled 2 people, and I let them kind of choose between a few different images. So this will be on their desk open house too, because that's what we're currently working on. And I'll go ahead and link that graph bundle that I bought from Teachers Pay Teachers down below. I really hope this vlog wasn't like a total snooze, but I feel like the vlogs that I'm like, oh, I'm not gonna post it, it was so boring, are important to see, because this is like real life and what to expect if you are gonna be a teacher. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, at least somewhat. If you like these type of videos, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram at Early Adventures, and then go ahead and click the little subscribe button down below. Like I said, my video on Sunday is gonna be a completed classroom open house tour. I'm not gonna go like in depth on where I got everything, but just kind of how I lay things out and whatnot. So I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video on Sunday at 5. Bye.